guys, it's Mishti. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mishti Sewa Gracias. Today I will be showing you how to make bottle gourd paratha, which is also called Lauki paratha. But before we begin, I'm going to tell you some benefits of bottle gourd. First of all, it is low in calories and has no fat. And second, it has essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, B, C, E and K. It also keeps you hydrated at summers and it protects you from kidney stones and urinary infections or disorders. It also brings relief in liver inflammations. So now, as you can see that this amazing vegetable has so many health benefits, please include this in your daily diet or eating habits. Now, to know more about this recipe, let's get into the video. Now, the ingredients we need to make our Lauki paratha are 500 gram Lauki or bottle gourd, half cup gram flour or besan, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon amchur powder, and half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds and 1 tablespoon oil. First, let us cook our bottle gourd. First let us add our oil. Once it gets heated, we will add our mustard seeds, fennel seeds and cumin seeds. Now it started crackling. Now let us add our bottle gourd. The bottle gourd contains lot of water, so we will cook it on high flame. Now let's add our spices. It contains a lot of water, so to reduce the water, we will cook it on high flame. Now let us add our gram flour or chickpea flour or besan. While doing this, you switch your flame to medium as we are incorporating all the ingredients together. Add our gram flour. It helps us to reduce the moisture in our bottle gourd. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes till the aroma of the gram flour comes. Our mixture has started leaving the sides and the aroma is also coming. That means our mixture is ready. I have freshly chopped coriander. Let me add that also. Till our mixture gets cooled, let me make a dough for my paratha. So now my dough is ready. You can use any type of flour, millet, jowar, wheat, any type, but I have used all the three together so that it becomes a healthy paratha. Till our pan gets heated, let me roll out my dough. First, dust some flour on your working surface. Place your dough. Roll it slightly. Now let me add my filling. And now let's close all the ends properly. Remove the excess dough. Now start rolling your paratha with soft hands. will cook it with lots of ghee as I love ghee. It's cooked. Flip your paratha and apply ghee. Now flip the other side and apply ghee as well. It's ready. Now I'm making one more type of paratha with cheese for my little friends over there. Add your filling and cheese. And then secure it by closing the end. It out nicely. Now let it cook on one side. This paratha is filled with the richness of bottle gourd and cheese, which your children will really like, and you will be very pleased that your children are going to eat healthy food. Lots of people make their paratha by adding the bottle gourd or lauki in the wheat flour, but I do not use that technique as I have adopted this habit by my mother. She always makes filling for the paratha. So you can see that the cheese is oozing out of our paratha. So now you can see that it's ready. See how nicely the filling is filled inside. It looks so delicious. So now, as you can see that my paratha is ready and it looks really very delicious. I'm having it with curd. Now let me taste it and then I will tell you how it is. So guys, I just tasted my bottle gourd paratha and it was very yummy. I must say I really tasted the fennel seed. It was really very yummy. So please try this recipe. It's very healthy and everyone will love it. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video and hit the bell icon.